Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. Man, there's a plane up there flying by. It looks like it's a red plane. Nice. Well, I'm out here with the DRC Z65. You already know what I came to do with it. So let's get to it. Hopefully the range is good. See if we can get it. It's upside down, y'all. See if we could bring it right by. Invert it. And so it works. Flying inverted with it. Didn't want to give me any aileron right. Let's see if we can flip it back over right in front of us. Bring it back around. Come on, give me some aileron. And it flipped back over. I would say this little Z65 has redeemed itself in my eyes. Okay, so we wasn't even in high rates. That's why it wasn't giving me any aileron. Okay, we're in high rates now. Let's go for it again. Upside down inverted, y'all. And the range is good. Oh no. I might have lost range there. It was doing its own thing. I had to walk back here a little further. Okay, let's get it back on its right side. Let's try to get it right side up. Oh. Got it back right side up. Let's try to bring it in for a landing. Oh. I think the battery might have been dying because it almost landed on its own. I stopped flying it. See if we can turn it around and bring it back. Can we? Oh, it flipped over on me. Flipped over on me. She flipped over on me. Let's try to sit her right side up. And try to taxi her back down here. I didn't see it flashing. Let's see if we can still take off with it. Yep. See if we can get a proper landing. trying to turn it around. But I would say that landing was a success. Just flipped over trying to taxi it back to me. I should have let it stop first. But fun little plane for sure. The lights are off on it, so no flashing lights. I probably should have the lights on, but I think when the lights are toggled off, I think it still flashes red when it gets low on battery. So I don't think that we were at LVC. I think the battery is just sagging a little. But awesome little craft. I love it. Really fun craft. It does stunts and everything. We didn't get to do any rolls, but we did rolls and loops in the last video. So this time I just wanted to test the inverted flight, and it works. The controls stay the same, so you don't have to worry about reversing any of the controls manually. It does all of that for you. Keeps everything the same as far as the controls, so the beginner won't get confused with flying it inverted. Pretty awesome little craft. The futuristic aircraft, the DRC Z65 or Z65. Thanks for watching.